Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
And as we have severally stated, the curfew is not going to last a day beyond necessary. Consequently, subsequent to the measurable improvements in the security situation in the state, as well as in our neighboring states, we have decided to lift the existing curfew on the entire state from tomorrow, 7th July 2021. While we thank you for your understanding and cooperation during this trying period, we must all remain security conscious and report any suspicious situation to the security agencies for action. On our part, we will not fail to deploy every resource at our disposal to ensure the safety of lives and property while advancing the well-being of all residents. This is the very reason we are clearing the state of shanties that have become veritable sanctuaries for criminals and criminal activities across the state. Clearly, our actions in this direction are not directed or targeted at any particular person, identity, or group.